today's session with exercise 3.3 question number 2. Okay. So in this question we are told that solve two equations and hence find the value of m for which y is equals to mx plus c. Okay, mx plus 3, sorry. So we will first go for these two equations. We will find the value of x and y by substitution method. Okay, and as we get the value of x and y, then we will put that value of x and y in that equation. Y equals to mx plus 3, and hence we will get the value of m. Okay, so let's solve this equation by substitution method and we will find the values of x and y. These two equations are given to us. Any one equation you can select. So I am selecting equation number 1. Equation number 1 implies 2x is equals to, send 3y to that side. It will become minus 3y, right? Now send 2 to this side. Now 11 minus 3y equals upon 2. So you can give this equation as equation number 3. Okay. Now we have got the value of y in terms of, we have the value of x in terms of y. Now we put this equation or put this value of x in equation 2 as we have solved equation 1. Now substitute x equals to 11 minus 3y upon 2 in equation, which one? Second. Now after putting, what will get? What is equation number 2? Equation number 2 will give 2x. 2 into x is 11 minus 3y upon 2 minus 4y equals to minus 24. These two will get cancelled. Here 11 minus 3y minus 4y equals to minus 24. Minus minus plus. So 11 minus 7y equals to minus 24. Right? Send 11 to that side. Minus 7y is equals to minus 24 minus 11. What we will give now? Minus minus plus. So minus 7y is equals to minus 35. Now sending minus 7 to that side. So minus 35 divided by minus 7. So y will be equals to 5. So now we have got the value of y. Now we will take out the value of another variable, that is x, by putting the value of y in equation number 3. Now put y equals to 5 in equation number 3rd. What third will give? X is equals to 11 minus 3y. What is y? Y is equals to 5 upon 2. So here 11 minus 3 5s are 15 by 2. 11 minus 15 is what? Minus 4 by 2. It will be equals to minus 2. So the value of x is minus 2. Now we have to find out the value of या तो यहाँ पे लिख लो पुट y equals to 5 and x equals to -2 in above equation. In above equation. So what we will get? What is 5? This 5 equals to m into x is -2 plus 3. You can send 3 to this side. 5 minus 3 equals to m into -2 is -2m. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 equals to -2m. Send to this side. So m will become 2 upon -2. That is m is equals to -1. Therefore, the value of m is -1 for the equation, for the given equations. Understand? So this is how we have solved question number 2. Now we move towards the question number 3, that are word problems, and that are very easy or important one. So we will see how to solve such word problems. In that word problem, important thing is to make the to understand the condition, and by understanding the condition we have to form the equation. Once the equation is formed, then it will be very easy to solve the equations, because many problems we have seen under substitution method. So you can go with that substitution method and you can solve the given problem. Now see first, the difference between two number is 26. दो नंबर का डिफरेंस 26 है. We don't know which are the two numbers. One number is 3 times the other. Find them. So we take its question number 3. 1. Let the two numbers be x and y, and we will consider that x is greater than y. x को बढ़ा लिया हो पहले, ठीक है. So the difference is what? 26, and one number is 3 times the other. So it is greater one. So we can write x will be 3 times the other. So this will be the first condition, and second condition is that the sum of two numbers, the difference of two number is 26. Difference के लिए जो बड़ा है उसमें छोटा सप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. So here we write 3y minus x, sorry 3y and 3y minus x is equals to 26. Equation number 2. Now it's very easy. Here already they have given one variable in terms of other. So we put the value of x in equation number 2 and we get the solution. Put x equals to 3y in equation number 2. So what we will get? Equation 2 is equals to, or is implies y minus x is equals to 3y. So you can put x is equals to 3y equals to 26. It is minus 2y equals to 26. So y will be equals to 26 upon minus 2. Therefore y will be equals to minus 13. Okay. y. What is y? Minus 13. So x will be equals to 3 13s are minus 39. So we can write therefore the required numbers are 13 minus 13 comma 39. Okay, understand? So like this we have to form first condition, and then by forming the condition then you need to solve it by a substitution method. Okay, so next we will see in